Welcome to the Basic Typing Skills lesson. In this lesson, we'll be discussing the basics of typing and how you can improve your typing skills. So, let's get started. Typing is the process of inputting text into a computer using a keyboard. The keyboard has letters, numbers, and symbols that are arranged in a specific way called the QWERTY layout. To type efficiently, it's important to place your hands on the keyboard correctly. Your left hand should be placed on the ASDF keys, and your right hand should be placed on the JKL keys. Each finger has a designated set of keys that it should press. For example, your left index finger should press the F key, while your right index finger should press the J key. To improve your typing skills, it's important to practice regularly. There are many online typing exercises that you can use to help you improve your speed and accuracy. You can also use typing tutor programs to help you learn how to type more efficiently. These programs provide feedback on your speed and accuracy and give you tips on how to improve. Keyboard shortcuts can also help you save time while typing. For example, instead of copying and pasting text using your mouse, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. And that's it for our Basic Typing Skills lesson. We hope you learned something new about typing and how you can improve your skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.